Imagine walking into a room full of people hoping to connect with a girl, but feeling like you're speaking a different language. That's how a lot of men feel in today's dating world. It's not that attraction has vanished. It's that the rules of the game have changed. And if you're still playing by the old ones, you're probably getting frustrated. So let's break down this mystery. Why do so many genuinely good men struggle to attract women today? First, let's talk about expectations. In the past, being a good provider was often enough. A stable job, a nice car, you were a catch. But today, women often have their own careers, their own homes, and their own stable cars. So what are they looking for now? Connection, humor, presence, the ability to listen without immediately trying to fix everything. Think of it like this. If dating used to be a job interview, now it's more like improv comedy. You can't just recite your resume. You have to be in the moment, adapt, and build something together. Here's where it gets tricky for a lot of guys. Many of us were never taught how to do that. Emotional intelligence wasn't on the school syllabus. We were told vulnerability was weakness. But in today's world, being emotionally available is like having Wi-Fi in a cafe. It's essential. People just won't stick around without it. Women often seek partners who can share feelings, not just facts. If you're constantly stuck in fix-it mode, always trying to solve a problem instead of just understanding the emotion behind it, you might be unintentionally pushing connection away. Let's add another layer to this. Social skills in the digital age. In a world dominated by screens, it's easy to lose the art of reading body language, tone, and timing. You can't just copy and paste charm from a YouTube video. You have to feel it in real life. Dating apps create this illusion of infinite choice, which often leads to analysis paralysis. Swipe fatigue is a real thing. Some guys get so strategic, crafting the perfect bio and rehearsing clever opening lines, that they forget the most important thing. Authenticity beats a perfect performance every single time. It's like trying to win a dance competition by just memorizing the steps but completely ignoring the music. You're missing the soul of it. And then there's confidence. I'm not talking about the loud, chest-thumping kind. I'm talking about the quiet, internal belief that you are enough, just as you are. So many men compare themselves to shredded influencers or movie stars. But attraction isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. A man who's comfortable in his own skin, who can laugh at his own bad jokes, who listens with genuine interest, that is magnetic. True confidence isn't thinking you're better than everyone else. It's knowing you'll be okay, even if you're not. Finally, we can't ignore the massive cultural shifts happening. Gender roles are evolving. Power dynamics are being redefined. And while that can feel confusing, it's actually incredibly liberating. Modern relationships are less about a rigid hierarchy and more about creating harmony. But harmony requires both people to be tuned in. If you're still trying to play the alpha male script from a 90s movie, you're going to miss the chance to create a beautiful duet. So, what's the big takeaway here? Attraction isn't dead, it's just more nuanced. It's less about chasing and more about connecting, less about impressing and more about expressing your true self. If you're struggling, it's not because there's something wrong with you. It's because the dating landscape has changed, and this is your invitation to grow with it. Learn to listen deeply, be curious about others, share your story, not just your highlight reel. And remember, the most attractive thing you can ever be is real. In the end, maybe the question isn't, why can't I attract women? But, what kind of connection am I truly seeking? Because when you shift your focus from trying to be chosen to choosing to connect, everything changes. And that's not just attractive, it's transformative. Thanks for watching, and if this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that helps you navigate modern life. See you in the next one.